Opening shot. Alright, this is my 69 Custom Nova, and the paint was a mess. Now, I know I'm not getting a good shot of any of it, and I've covered over and I've started already, but I want to see if I can get a shot of this. Outside for a couple years, and the cover just beat the heck out of it. And if you can see, even though the garage door is shining in the paint over here, you can see there's a milkiness. See, there's a line there. See that line? It's beat into the paint. And now there's one even here. It's a milkiness. And let me walk around the car a little bit. So this is a project I'm working with here, and this is a couple of passes with the Mother's product, Professional, and also followed up by this product here, which is an all-in-one rubbing compound polish, which I did the tops of the fenders, and I'll show you in a little bit. So this has been done twice. I think I'm going to hit it again, and you can definitely see a much bit brighter shine, and it hasn't been polished yet. I think I can get away with just a little staining in here, and I'm going to hit it one more time, and then I'm going to go to the polish, but I'm going to hit it one more time. It seems like about 3 passes to 4 passes is what it takes. It takes about 3 passes with the Mother's rubbing compound, and then 1 pass with the rubbing and polish. So let's see what happens. You know, this is the hood, and the hood looks good now. And this is 4 passes, 3 with the rubbing, 1 with the polish. And this fender was done, which I'll get a shot of that in a little bit. Alright? So we'll be back and see how we do. Here we are, detailing. Okay, I didn't get to the engine compartment, but a complete rub out, wax polish. Got a lot of issues, but pretty clean. Let's see. Needs to have the rims repainted. There's the custom hood. Shiny. Still got to do the glass. The rims need to be redone. Bumper's getting worn. Back bumper's better than the front. Need to get it out in the sunlight, but there isn't any. And I got to do the interior, but I'm just tired. Look how shiny that is. And there's a lot of little blisters. There's a blister here. That's been there forever, though. And I took the mirrors off for now, and the windshield wipers to do a little bit of cleaning and buffing around them. Let's see what we got here. Not bad. This is all I would do every day if I had the money. It's like Jay Leno, except with 1 car. No, I would do all this. Be cool with the SS grills in it as well. If you overkill it. So what? You can't overkill. There's no such thing. Now this is a gentleman's rod. This is nicely stated. Let's see what we got here. I want to mod that hood. I want to remove the pins and put in the latch assembly that I have for it. So whenever I repaint it. Got a little bit of rot down there. But that's easily fixed because of the two-tone. All right. And we're out.